How to turn on post approval in Facebook group. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and simply what you need to do is select on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. So here you can see different groups over here. So simply tap on the groups option. Tap on your groups and simply select on your particular group over here. So tap on manage and then tap on the group over here. So here when you see the manage option, you can scroll down and you can see there are different options. So simply select on the group settings. As I tap on the group settings, here you can see there are different options over here. So let's scroll down and tap on the post approval option under manage discussion. Tap on it, and as you can see it's toggled off. So simply what you need to do is tap on all posts and tap on save and toggle it on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.